Hello. First of all, thank you for your purchase from Office 2021 on eBay. And now I show you how you download the Office, how you install it, and how you put the key into Office. And also I try when it is possible to do the activation also with the phone and the ID. So first restarting, I have a license. This license is here, and now you have also a link. This link goes to this page. Here is the German version and also the English version from Office 2021. When you click on it, on the button, then you come to this side. This is transfer now, and here you have the file. It's 5 gigabytes from the size. Then you have to download it, and after you downloaded it, then you have it normally in the download folder. After downloading, also the most times there comes a message here in this section that says you have downloaded the file, or you can also find it here on this menu on downloads. Here are the downloaded files also, but yeah, then it expects where you save it. It could be possible that it is on the desktop. The most times when you're searching for the file, it is in downloads. So the first thing we do is we're clicking on the file manager, then we're going here to downloads, and there we have the file. It's Pro Plus 2021 Retail in English. If you don't find the file, you can also search for the name, and then you click on it. Just a double click. Then you have to wait a little bit. It takes a little bit time. It expects how fast is your PC. I have here a gaming PC, but it also takes a little bit time till it opens. Then comes the window, and then you click off to open. Please just make a double click and wait till it opens. Don't open it 3 or 4 times, because this takes more time then. And after you click the setup, it will start the install. The installation takes a little bit time. So if you want, you can also skip this part, because yeah, this could take a long time maybe, and you must also stay connected, because you should connect it to the internet, also that it can download updates directly. And here you have a progress bar, and when the progress bar is full, the program is installed. In this time we can pick our key. I have it here in this document. You have it by eBay in the messages, and can copy the key also. There are 2 ways to copy. One way is you make a right click on it after marking it, and you choose copy. Or the second way is to mark it with the left mouse button and then press Strong and C, and then you can copy the key. Now we are shortly on the end of the installation. Here then comes the message: your Microsoft 365 product is now completely installed. Then we close it. Could be possible that it comes a few times, because it installs different programs, so Word, Office, PowerPoint and stuff. So it could be possible that the message appears a few times. So now you can open the start menu, and here you have the Word. One way is to open it directly here, or if you want a desktop icon like I do now, then you make a right click, then you go to the save, you open the files, the place from the file. Then you here have Word. Then normally in Windows 10 you can directly send it to the desktop if you make a right click, or in this case in Windows 11 you have to first choose more options and then you send to and then to desktop, and then now here appears the Word. If you have this, you click on it and now it's asking directly for the key. We have copied it, so we can make a right click and paste it, or the second way is to use strong or CTRL, is it in the English keyboard, and V, and then we can activate Office. Now it takes a short moment. The best way is to check this here. Then normally you open again. So then you close the program and open it again. And normally then you have to make the phone activation. There are two ways. The first way is to activate it on the internet, but this is the way you should not do, because most times it comes a failure that the limit from the activations is, or from the devices is reached. So the better way is the second option that appears, and this is the option that you use the phone activation. And when you click on the phone activation, you get an ID. Then you have to call. You then type in with the buttons from the phone the ID. Normally it starts with block A, then block B, C, D, E, F, and so on till the end. And when you have put in all blocks from the ID, then you get an ID back from the automated phone voice from Office, and you put these numbers in the empty blocks, and she also say block A, block B, block C, block D, and there you type in the numbers, and when you have this, you have also activated the license. And then how you see before, when it's activated with the phone, then you have just to put the license and then it is activated on your device, and then you have the lifetime Office. Okay, I hope this helps. If you have any questions, you can ask me here on eBay, or you write me a message, or contact me on my site. And if you have any questions, then ask for it. Then much luck with Office and goodbye.